Welcome to the Isabella Plantation in full bloom.
Hello flower fans, if your dream is to run around a multicoloured dreamland of flowers with row upon row of azaleas and a reflective rainbow coloured picture perfect pond, then this one's for you. Just to know, I've got a more detailed video on this free to visit Isabella Plantation, so I'll link a card here. And later I'll share a nearby Wisteria gem you need to check out at the same time. So it's late April at the Isabella Plantation and it will continue to bloom into May. Let's take a minute to look at the still pond, which is the famous reflective pond with tall trees creating a beautiful optical illusion. This quiet little garden within Richmond Park is a riot of colour, and the azaleas bloom in hot pinks, pretty purples and zingy corals. There's pretty streams, delicate sunlight and winding paths to explore. You'll also find lots of other flowers in here, including the beautiful bluebell walk, which is divine. Another serene moment is Thompson's Pond, where there's a log-shaped stepping stones, lush green trees and colours that create a dreamy contrast. On a sunny day, the reflection is incredible and the stream is so tranquil. This was about 8:30 in the morning, and as you can see, it's nice and quiet. It does get a lot busier as it continues to bloom, but it is quite a large garden. There's plenty of space for everyone. Make sure you check the maps before you get in there, as there's weirdly not much signal in there. You can bring picnics though, and it's my dream to do that one day. I recommend wearing closed-toe flat shoes for the slightly sandy floors. I always like to spend a couple of hours here every time I visit, and I find that the flowers do change throughout the seasons, so whenever you go there'll be something lovely to see. And I bumped into a lovely lady in the car park afterwards, and we were sharing how excited we both were to be going back into the Isabella Plantation again. It is super special. It gives you such joy. It really feeds your soul. Honestly, you'll be on cloud 9 afterwards. And afterwards we had a bacon sandwich in the car park from one of the many food vans to celebrate this wonderful day. And my little extra for Richmond Park in late April and early May is Pembroke Lodge, which has the most extraordinary wisteria.
Welcome to Pembroke Lodge. This is one of the most beautiful places you can visit in Richmond Park. It's one of my favourites, but my first time ever I've been into the cafe, which I really recommend. As you can see, in late April into May, you've got this incredible wisteria covering the door, and it's obviously so beautiful because they have loads of weddings here as well. The cafe inside is gorgeous. They've got this beautiful blue kitchen inside. They've got pastries, they've got desserts, they've got cakes, they've got everything you can probably think of if you've got a sweet tooth. We just had a coffee and you can sit inside. All of the interiors have this lovely dark wood. There's pictures and vintage teacups and lots of beautiful things in there. Lovely massive fireplaces and lovely to see all of the trees outside. You feel like you're in this little other world. But they have also a little garden out the back which you can go and sit outside that is covered in these lovely trees, and you've got the most amazing view looking out over Richmond and all of the beautiful gardens. I cannot recommend it enough as the most glorious place to come and visit, especially in springtime when it's absolutely blooming and gorgeous.